Kamusta mga port? Ano nang balita sa inyo? So for today's video, panibagong laruan na naman ang ating bibigyan ng review. At ito ay ang Monkey D. Luffy Gear 2nd from JT Studio. This is an HQKO figures mga port. Around 16 centimeters tall. Tignan natin kung worth it ba siya even though HQKO lang mga port. And as you can see, nailabas ko na siya sa box. Ito yung box niya. Plain box lang with JT Studio logo. And some Chinese writings over there. So this is the figure mga port. Yan. Ito yung kanyang main body. Yung kanyang straw hat. And yung kanyang head. So ito palang kahit maliit siya compared sa resin statue figures, ayos din yung details nito mga port. For those who don't know, Gear 2nd is one of the most iconic transformation in One Piece history. Ito yung time na pinabilis ni Luffy yung blood flow niya para tumas yung speed, power, at overall combat abilities niya. At makikita talaga sa figure na nakuha nila yung aggressive energy ni Luffy. JT Studio did a really good job sa overall presentation kahit na HQ KO figure lang siya. And honestly, minsan kahit HQ KO figures, pag maganda ang sculpt at paint application, sulit pa rin talaga. Buuin na natin to. Lagay lang natin itong kanyang straw hat at yung kanyang head. Ganun lang kasimple. And then voila. Ayan na siya. Look at this smoke effects. Napakaganda ng translucent effect niya. Anime accurate din naman. And bro, ang angas. The pose alone already tells a story. Parang nasa middle siya ng fight scene, tapos ready na siyang umatake anytime. Tapos yung pose niya, napaka-dynamic mga port. First impression ko dito mga port, pwede. Nakaka-impress yung facial expression ni Luffy. You can really feel the intensity sa mukha niya. Yung determination, galit, at confidence. The sculpted hair looks sharp and detailed. The red polo and blue shirts have a nice shading and nice paint application. And even yung sandals and small details sa katawan niya are nicely done. For a 16 centimeters figure, hindi tinipid yung details. Minsan kasi may small figures na mukhang tinipid pag actual na. Pero ito, display worthy talaga. Now let's talk about the details, starting with the pose. Ito talaga yung pinaka-selling point ng figure. Super dynamic ng crouching stance ni Luffy. Kitang-kita mo yung movement and action. Parang isang segundo na lang susugod na siya. Then the smoke effects. Sobrang ganda ng pagka-transparent niya. Hindi siya mukhang cheap plastic. It actually enhances the entire figure. It gives that Gear 2nd aura. And I also love how the effects wrap around his arms and body. It creates motion and adds life to the statue. Now let's talk about paint application. For an HQKO figure, malinis yung paint niya. May decent shading sa clothes and skin tone. The red jacket pops nicely against the blue shorts. And yung scar ni Luffy sa chest area, present and detailed din. Another thing I noticed, the figure captures the anime proportions very well. Hindi awkward tingnan. Minsan kasi sa ibang non-official figures, medyo off yung face sculpt. Pero dito, recognizable agad si Luffy. And honestly, from certain angles, sobrang photogenic nitong figure. Now, in terms of size, at 16 cm tall, hindi siya sobrang laki. But because of the wide action pose and effects, malakas pa rin yung shelf presence niya. Perfect siya for One Piece displays, especially if you collect dynamic battle poses. Pwede mo rin siya display together with other gear forms ni Luffy. Imagine this beside Gear 4 or Gear 5 figures. Sobrang lupit nito tignan. And because compact lang siya, hindi rin siya space consuming. So magandang option dito sa collectors na limited ang display area. Now, let's go sa pros and cons. Pros first. Amazing dynamic pose, beautiful smoke effect, nice anime accurate, great shelf presence despite sa size, solid details for an HQKO figure. Now, for the cons, honestly, since this is HQKO, expect na hindi siya same level ng official licensed resin statue. May konting minor imperfection, depende sa makukuha mong figure. And for some collectors, medyo maliit yung 16 centimeters. But personally, for the price and overall appearance, sulit siya. So overall, I'm actually very happy with this HQKO figures na Monkey D. Luffy from JT Studio. It perfectly captures that speed, intensity, and energy ng Gear 2nd Luffy for One Piece fan, especially collectors who love action-packed poses. This is definitely a nice piece to add to your collections. Sometimes it's not about having the biggest or most expensive figures. It's about owning figures that make you happy every time you see them in your shelves. And this one definitely does that for me. At mga aport, kung bibili niyo yung figure na to, huwag niyo kalimutang bilhin din yung cassette niya. Eto mga aport, oh. Bam! Gear 5 Luffy. Same position, recast siya. Pero napakaganda mga aport. Talagang pagsamahin mo sila, panalong panalo. Medyo may problema lang itong isang ito. Parang hindi ko malaman kung maiksi yung braso niya. Pero yun nga, nakita nyo tumutumba siya paharap, nag-lean forward siya. Kaya ang ginagawa ko sa kanya, nilalagyan ko na lang ito ng kalang. Yan. Pero tignan nyo rin ang isang to mga aport. So almost same siya, pero Gear 5 version. Ganda. So what do you think guys about these figures? Would you add them to your collection? Comment down below. And that's our vlog for today. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, please huwag mong kalimutan i-click ang subscribe button. Click mo na rin ang notification bell. I-follow mo ako sa aking Facebook page at sa TikTok para updated ka sa mga susunod pa nating video. Kaya paano pa nga ba? I'll see you again sa susunod nating video.